Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see a simple select case statement. First, I am declaring a global variable and I am going to name the variable as val, and I am assigning a value 35 to it. I am going to check various conditions using the select case statement. First, I am starting the select case statement with the keyword select followed by the cases. In the first case, I am checking whether this variable is lesser than 20. If this variable is lesser than 20, then it should display a message box stating that the value is lesser than 20. And the second case, I'm going to check whether this variable is lesser than 30. If it is yes, then it should display a message box stating that the value is lesser than 30. And in the third case, I'm going to check whether this variable is lesser than 40. If it's true, then it display a message box stating that it is less than 40. If none of the case matches, then it should simply display the message box displaying the value of the variable. After entering all the cases, you should need to terminate the select statement with end select keyword, and I'm just saving it and executing it now. The value is lesser than 40. Let's see how it works. First, compiler assign a variable 35 to this variable, and the first case 35 is compared with 20. 35 is lesser than 20? No. So compiler skip and start checking the condition. In the case 2, here 35 is lesser than 30, it's return false. And in again checking the condition in the case 3, 35 is lesser than 40. Yes, it's true. So it just simply print the message box and exit out of the script. So if this condition fails, let's say suppose if the variable is lesser than 32, it return false. Let's see the case else statement is execute or not. The value is 35. So it is checking all the cases